The top 8 vitamins for liver repair. Your liver is an incredible organ, constantly working to keep your body functioning at its best. It plays a critical role in detoxifying harmful substances, metabolizing nutrients, and producing bile to aid in the digestion of fats. However, the liver's vital function as your body's detox center also makes it vulnerable to damage. Over time, factors like poor diet, alcohol consumption, and exposure to environmental toxins can take a toll on this essential organ, causing it to become overworked and less effective. When the liver is overwhelmed, it may start to accumulate fat, leading to conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD), which affects millions of people around the world. NAFLD is often referred to as a silent disease because it usually progresses without any obvious symptoms in its early stages. Unfortunately, by the time symptoms become noticeable, the liver may already be in distress, struggling to function properly. In its advanced stages, NAFLD can lead to liver inflammation, scarring, fibrosis, and even liver failure if left untreated. But the good news is that the liver is remarkably resilient. With the right nutrients and lifestyle changes, it can regenerate and heal itself. One of the most effective ways to support liver repair is through vitamins that promote detoxification, reduce inflammation, and help regenerate liver cells. In today's video, we will explore the top 8 vitamins that are crucial for liver repair and how incorporating them into your diet can help revitalize your liver health. Before we dive into the specific vitamins, it's important to understand some of the signs that your liver might be in trouble. Fatty liver disease, particularly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is a condition that many people have without even realizing it. In its early stages, it often goes unnoticed because it doesn't cause immediate or obvious symptoms. However, as the disease progresses, the signs of liver distress can become more noticeable. One of the first symptoms you might experience is discomfort or pain in the upper right side of your abdomen, where the liver is located. This discomfort can range from a dull ache to a sharper, more persistent pain, signaling that the liver is under strain. Chronic fatigue is another common symptom of fatty liver disease. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired all the time, even after getting adequate rest, this could indicate that your liver isn't functioning properly. Since the liver plays a key role in energy production, an overburdened liver struggles to process nutrients effectively, leading to low energy and persistent fatigue. In more severe cases, a yellowing of the skin or eyes, known as jaundice, can occur. Jaundice results from the liver's inability to properly process bilirubin, a waste product. As bilirubin accumulates in the bloodstream, it causes the skin and eyes to take on a yellowish hue. Other symptoms include unexplained weight loss, swelling in the legs or ankles due to fluid retention, and elevated liver enzyme levels, often detected in blood tests. These symptoms suggest that your liver may need extra support, and one of the most effective ways to provide this is through targeted nutrition, specifically the right vitamins. Now that we've discussed the signs of liver distress, let's explore the top 8 vitamins that can help repair and regenerate your liver. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. If you experience any of the symptoms discussed, please seek guidance from your healthcare provider. Now let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin E, the antioxidant powerhouse. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays an essential role in protecting the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, and antioxidants in the body. This can lead to inflammation and accelerated cell breakdown, making the liver vulnerable to long-term damage. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, reducing their ability to harm liver cells and promoting overall liver health. Research shows that vitamin E can be particularly beneficial for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Several studies indicate that vitamin E supplementation can significantly reduce liver inflammation, lower liver enzyme levels, and even decrease fat accumulation in the liver. This makes it one of the most effective vitamins for supporting liver health, especially in those at risk for fatty liver disease. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin E also helps maintain the integrity of liver cell membranes. This allows the liver to continue functioning effectively in detoxifying harmful substances and regenerating healthy tissue. Vitamin E-rich foods include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. In cases of severe liver damage, supplementation may be necessary to ensure therapeutic levels are met. Next on the list is vitamin C, supporting detoxification and healing. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting effects, but it also plays a key role in liver health by supporting detoxification and healing. This water-soluble vitamin is essential for the production of glutathione, a potent antioxidant that the liver uses to detoxify harmful substances such as heavy metals, alcohol, and environmental toxins. When the liver is overburdened or damaged, glutathione stores become depleted, leaving it vulnerable to further oxidative damage. By promoting glutathione production, vitamin C helps the liver detoxify more efficiently, ensuring it can neutralize toxins and protect itself from oxidative stress. In addition, vitamin C aids in the regeneration of liver cells, making it a crucial nutrient for healing damaged liver tissue. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce liver inflammation, which is a major contributor to the progression of liver diseases like fibrosis and cirrhosis. Chronic inflammation can impair liver function and lead to the formation of scar tissue. By reducing inflammation, vitamin C supports the liver's natural healing processes and prevents further damage. To ensure adequate vitamin C intake, consume citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, along with bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens like kale. For those with elevated antioxidant needs, vitamin C supplements can also provide additional liver protection. Number 3. Vitamin D, hormonal support for liver function. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays a vital role in maintaining liver health. While the body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, many individuals do not get sufficient sun exposure, especially those living in areas with limited sunlight. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to an increased risk of liver diseases, such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and cirrhosis. One of the ways vitamin D supports liver health is by preventing liver fibrosis, a condition where excess scar tissue forms in the liver, leading to impaired function. Fibrosis can develop into cirrhosis if not managed, which is why maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is crucial for long-term liver health. In addition, vitamin D plays a key role in the production of bile, which is essential for fat digestion and detoxification. Without enough bile, the liver cannot break down fats properly, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. By promoting healthy bile production, vitamin D helps prevent fat buildup and supports the liver's detoxification processes. To boost vitamin D levels, aim for regular sun exposure and include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks in your diet. A supplement may be necessary if dietary intake and sun exposure are insufficient. Number 4. B vitamins, B12, B6, folate, the essential trio for liver rejuvenation. B vitamins, particularly B12, B6, and folate, play a pivotal role in liver health and rejuvenation. These vitamins work synergistically to support the liver's detoxification processes, reduce inflammation, and aid in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. B12 is especially important for breaking down fats and carbohydrates, preventing fat accumulation in the liver, and reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. In addition to supporting fat metabolism, vitamin B12 plays a role in the production of red blood cells, which deliver oxygen to the liver and other organs. Adequate oxygen supply is essential for the liver to perform its detoxification duties and regenerate healthy tissue. Vitamin B6 is involved in protein metabolism and helps the liver process amino acids needed for detoxification. It also supports neurotransmitter production, which affects mood and overall mental well-being. Folate, or vitamin B9, is crucial for reducing homocysteine levels in the body. High levels of homocysteine can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can damage liver cells and accelerate liver disease. By lowering homocysteine, folate helps protect the liver and supports the regeneration of healthy cells. You can find B vitamins in a variety of foods like leafy greens, eggs, legumes, and fortified cereals. For those with liver damage, a B-complex supplement may be beneficial. Number 5 on our list is vitamin A, protecting and regenerating liver cells. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for liver health due to its antioxidant and cell-regenerating properties. As an antioxidant, vitamin A helps protect the liver from oxidative stress, which can damage cells and lead to inflammation. Inflammation and oxidative stress are key contributors to liver diseases, including fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin A helps prevent these conditions from progressing. One of the most important functions of vitamin A is to support the liver's ability to metabolize fats. When the liver struggles to break down fats, they can accumulate within liver cells, leading to fat buildup and impaired liver function. Vitamin A aids in fat metabolism, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease and promoting overall liver health. Vitamin A also plays a role in immune function, which is closely linked to liver health. A healthy immune system is essential for protecting the liver from infections and inflammation. However, it's important to exercise caution with vitamin A supplements, as excessive intake can be toxic, particularly for individuals with liver disease. To safely increase vitamin A intake, focus on foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and other brightly colored vegetables. Always consult with a healthcare professional before considering supplementation. Number 6. Vitamin K, the blood clotting and liver health connection. Vitamin K is widely known for its role in blood clotting, but it also plays an essential part in liver health. The liver is responsible for producing proteins necessary for blood clotting, and without enough vitamin K, this process can become compromised, leading to issues like excessive bleeding or bruising. This makes vitamin K vital for maintaining normal liver function, especially in individuals with liver disease. In addition to its role in clotting, vitamin K helps protect the liver by reducing inflammation, which is a major driver of liver disease, particularly fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. By lowering inflammation levels, vitamin K supports the liver's healing processes and prevents further damage. It also plays a role in regulating calcium levels, which is important for maintaining the structural integrity of liver cells. High calcium levels can lead to calcification of the liver tissue, impairing its function. By ensuring proper calcium regulation, vitamin K helps protect the liver from this damage. To increase vitamin K intake, include green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli in your diet, along with other foods like Brussels sprouts and green beans. For individuals with liver disease or bleeding disorders, vitamin K supplementation may be necessary to maintain liver health. Number 7. Magnesium, essential for liver function and detoxification. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that supports various bodily functions, including liver health. It plays a significant role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, many of which are involved in detoxification and energy production. Magnesium helps regulate liver function by supporting the synthesis of proteins and enzymes that are essential for breaking down toxins and metabolizing nutrients. One of the key benefits of magnesium for the liver is its ability to aid in the regulation of blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity and helping manage glucose metabolism, magnesium can reduce the risk of conditions like insulin resistance and fatty liver disease. This is particularly important since imbalanced blood sugar levels can contribute to liver fat accumulation and inflammation. Number 8. Zinc, boosting liver health and immune function. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining liver health and supporting the immune system. It is involved in numerous enzymatic reactions that help the liver detoxify and metabolize nutrients. Zinc deficiency has been linked to impaired liver function and increased susceptibility to liver diseases, highlighting its importance in maintaining optimal liver health. One of the primary benefits of zinc is its role in supporting immune function. A healthy immune system is crucial for protecting the liver from infections and inflammation. Zinc helps modulate the immune response, reducing the risk of liver inflammation and chronic diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and cirrhosis. Along with these vitamins, it's crucial to avoid foods that can harm your liver, like processed foods, excessive alcohol, trans fats, and sugary drinks. By making these changes and sticking to a liver-friendly diet, you can help prevent liver disease and promote long-term liver health. Kindly remember, we are not doctors. Always consult your doctor if you have any health concerns. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, hit the bell button, and check our video, 12 Unusual Signs Your Body Needs Magnesium. Thanks for watching.